Hey guys, we're replacing a power supply today on an Inspiron 3910 desktop. Pretty simple swap out here. Tried to trim the video down as short as possible, but wanted to show you there's really only two connectors that come from this power supply. You've got your motherboard main power and your CPU power. Really, it's just about managing the cable management. The two cables wrap around the front end, and it's really about getting some of the other cables and connectors out of the way so you can remove the cables from their respective cable management route. You can see down here I'm pointing, you can't really see, but I'm pointing at the Wi-Fi card. The antennas might be in the way a little bit, and one other connector. I think it might have been a front LED light, but you can see here I'm pulling the CPU power connector, and once we get it around the front end here, it's just a matter of getting some of these connectors. If you have to disconnect anything, that's fine. Just know that when you route the new cables, you're going to want to reconnect those. Don't forget them when you're putting in the new power supply. Once you get those free, then 3 screws on the back of the chassis will free up the power supply and you can slide it out. You're going to take note on the bottom of the power supply here. There's 4 slots there that will slide onto those rivets at the bottom of the chassis. Make sure you get them slide in. Once they slide forward, you pull up, you'll see that they're caught. You're good to go. You can throw those 3 screws in the back again. Yeah, most of it reverse is just getting the cable management right. Here I'm looking to get my CPU plugged back in. I couldn't fit my hand in there, so I removed the heatsink cover. And there I get the main power plugged in. Once those are in, we get our cover back on and we're all good to go. Pretty simple replacement. Feel free to like, comment if you have any questions. Also feel free to subscribe. We're adding new videos daily. Glad to have you join us today, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much.